In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate video conferencing into your Calendly setup. This process will allow you to streamline scheduling for all your virtual meetings, ensuring that everything is set up efficiently and without a hitch. First things first, let's begin by opening your Calendly account. Once you're in, navigate to the Integration and Apps section. This is the central hub where you'll find all the different tools and apps that can connect with Calendly to enhance its functionality. The real magic of integrating these tools is that it reduces the back and forth communication usually involved with setting up meetings, making your scheduling efforts much more streamlined. Within Integration and Apps, pay special attention to the video conferencing option. This is where you have the opportunity to choose the video conferencing platform you'd like to use in conjunction with Calendly. It's designed to bring all video conferencing options under one roof, making it easier to pick and choose according to each specific meeting's needs. For those who prefer using Google Meet for their virtual meetings, you're in luck. Calendly has a straightforward integration process for Google Meet. Look for the Google Meet option under the video conferencing settings and click on it. This action will initiate the integration process. Remember, it's crucial to ensure that your Calendly account is linked to the Google account associated with the video conference tool you intend to use, as this will allow seamless access and functionality. Next, you'll want to clarify the location for your meeting. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, it's quite straightforward. For example, if you decide on using Google Meet, just click to set Google Meet as your meeting location. This essentially tells Calendly where the meeting will be held, ensuring that the link generated is accurate and specific to your chosen platform. The beauty of this feature is that every time someone books with you on Calendly, the video conference link is automatically included in the invitation, eliminating any potential confusion or need for follow-up messages. By taking these steps, you're establishing a smoother, more professional experience for both you and your clients or colleagues. You'll benefit from having all your meetings in one place and effortlessly accessible. Having a reliable setup like this not only saves time, but also reduces the chance of missing important meetings or hosting mishaps. And there you have it, a complete guide on how to perfectly pair up Calendly with video conferencing, specifically using Google Meet. This integration will keep you organized and make managing your virtual meetings a breeze. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these steps helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out.